Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Shaflinda Rosa, and today I'm going to talk about functional grammar. Basically, this material we're going to talk about how language, how language can create a meaning, how the functional language can create meaning, and how grammar reflect this function. Actually, there are three kinds of meaning, or we can call it as meta functions. The first one is additional, or we can call it as experiential. It's about when we use language to describe our experience or an event or circumstance, but basically this additional metafunction is about we describe what is happening, and the second one is about interpersonal. Interpersonal is when we do the conversations or we do the interaction with our friends or with others or with people around us, and maybe we can share about sharing an information, or we just talk, just chit chat or others, but basically we do the interaction with others and we call it as interpersonal meta functions. And the third one, there are textual. Textual is when we do conversations but via online. For example, we do conversation in our WhatsApp group. So that thing we call it as textual. The function of language in textual context. And I can give you one example. For example, did you take her calculator just now? The word did you is an actor in this circumstance. Just know is the process. Take eh I'm sorry, just know is the complement, or what is that? The tag is the process, but actually there are theme and rhyme. Theme is the starting point of that clause, and the rhyme is the rest of the thing that stand for to describe the theme. For example, did you take her calculator? Did you is a theme, and for the rest word is a rhyme. And actually there are vignettes. Honestly, I don't really understand about that words, but I'm trying to understand this and make it into my own words. So my opinion, a vignette is the first auxiliary that occur on one clause. For example, you have, for the declarative sentence, the have is the finance, or have you for the interrogative statement or sentence, the word have is vignette. Actually there are many elements that we're going to talk for this material, but this is kind of complicated to understand, but let's make it easy. So there are process When we do the interaction with others, we call it as interpersonal. And on this interpersonal, there are vignettes and the process. Because, or am I wrong? And in that interpersonal and experiential we talk about the experience that the language, how language represent our experience in this world. Like, well, we want to describe an event or the circumstance or anything. And the textual, we use language, but in written text. And the interpersonal, the conversation that we do, like I said before. For my example lately, did you just take her calculator? Did you is the theme, and the rest of them is the rhyme. Or the U stand for actor who does the actions. Tech is the process how the circumstance happen. And just now, oh, I forgot to mention just now. So actually, did you take her calculator just now? Just now is compliments. Oh yeah, there are compliment. Sometimes we do the conversation, or we're doing the conversation with our friend with the compliment in our sentence. For example, like I said before, we use the same example. They should take her calculator just now. Just now is the compliments, but I think we can say it is additional element, because if we do not use the compliments, it's okay. We still can start the conversation with others, and others can understand what we mean, right? And also actually just that I take from this material. There are two books that explain this material, but I just read the second one because I think the second one is easier more than the first one. And then let's conclude that material. Basically, we learn about how language can create function, and the grammar the grammar shows the function of the clause itself. There are three kinds of meaning or the function, and we call it as meta function. Like I said before, there are additional or experiential, and interpersonal, and the textual. Yeah, we break it into three meaning. The first one to describe an event or circumstance or what's happening, and the second one is we do the daily conversation with others to share information and etc. And the third one is we do conversation too, but in written text or in our WhatsApp group. For now, we use the WhatsApp, right? And I think we can call it as textual functions. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.